welcome back. You can see that I'm back up at Bear Paw Scout Camp. There's the Kubota, and we're going to show you some of the storm damage from the ice storm earlier this year, some trees we had to cut down, and how we're going to get them out. All the permits, everything that we needed have been gotten. So the kids use this area here up at Bear Paw for, this is their fire bowl. So evening activities, things like that. But we got a handful of trees that came down, a couple we had to cut down. You saw the stump get flopped back in the hole there, and that's where now we got to pull that tree out. And so you'll watch us use the Garvee Log Tongs to do that and go from there. There's our fine specimen. There's another one we cut earlier this winter. The water came up quite a bit, and now it's dropped back down. But look at that view. Beautiful view. We got the Garvee rake attachment on that tractor as well. I think somebody's got a plan here. As you can see, this was full tree length. The tractor manipulated it very, very well. Here you can see him pushing it out of the way so he can get back up by him to grab the next log, and pretty easy. Not sure, we might have bucked this one in half, ended up bucking this one in half just so we could make more room, but hopefully you enjoyed the video so far. We're going to see if we can pull the next one out in one piece or two pieces. We'll see what happens. So here you can see us trying to push the stump down. We thought we could push it back in the hole, cut the stump off a little bit lower and grind it out eventually. Then maybe we thought about pulling it out with the tongs. But nope, either way, neither one. This one we might have to take in a couple pieces. Heavier than we thought. That's still a nice 16-foot log. A little bit of a double heart in it, but we set the tree down, picked it back up with the bucket, and as you guys can see he's still dragging it. We never rehooked it up. It's actually, I'm rather impressed as far as how well it works. You can see him there twisting and turning with it, manipulating that log. If it grabs good enough, the guy can't unhook it. You can see how heavy that is, just pushing the tractor all over the place. back and forth, back and forth. And I've only hooked that thing up once. And with that, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Take a look at the Garvee Log Tongs. Check out down below for the discount code.